Hey everyone! Today we are going to learn how to create and manage custom fields in Testmo. Keep in mind that to manage custom fields, you have to be a project or site admin. For now, we'll start by going to Admin, Fields, and here, below Templates, you have two types of custom fields you can create. Case fields for the test case details, and result fields for when you are adding results to the test cases. On any test case template, you will have the mandatory common fields: name, configurations, template, state, estimate, issues, tags, and attachments. These will be automatically added to any template you create. In addition to this, you can add fields of the types checkbox, date, dropdown, float, integer, link, multi-select, steps, strings, and text. Depending on the type you choose, the custom field will be located on the sidebar or on the main section of the test case edit window, and on the properties or the main section of the test case detail window. Multi-select, steps, and test fields appear on the main sections and the others on the sidebar or property sections. Now, let's create a new case field. We click on this button to start the process and the Add Field window appears. Here, we'll start by adding a field name, in this case preconditions. The system name will be filled automatically, but you can change it if needed because the system name must be unique across all fields and entities. Next, we'll choose the type of field we want, in this case text, but keep in mind that the system name and field type cannot be changed after the field is created. You can write an optional hint about the field. It will appear in a small case just below the field when you are creating and editing the test case. On the Project and Options section, you click on this plus icon here in the top right corner, and this will open a new window with the specific options for the type of field you've chosen. All fields will have these first options. Here you can select if the field is optional or mandatory. If you choose mandatory, the test case cannot be saved without adding a value to this field. And here, if the field can be edited by anyone or only users with restricted field permissions. Let's leave this as optional and unrestricted. This section below will be unique for each field type. In this case, we can set the initial height of the text field and make it a longer field by default if needed. This can also be manually adjusted while editing the test case. Below, we have the default text option. It is very useful, for example, if you have a text template that you have to use every time. So for example, right now, let's write user state, system states, and external dependencies. So this can be filled anytime we open this template. We'll see the options for another field type when we create a results field. We can go to the Project tab now to choose if we want these options available on all projects or only specific projects. This can be useful if you have different options for the same field depending on the project that you are working on. Like, for example, a different template text. We'll leave it as the same for all projects, and by default, the field will be automatically enabled, but you can disable if you need it on this button here. We click on Add Field and the new field will be visible on the case field list. And as you can see, fields will be divided by this line according to their place in the UI. Fields of type multi-select, steps, and text will appear below the line and all the others above. And this is the same for the results field. By default, the new field is not added to any template, and this is shown by this warning icon next to the field name. For this icon to disappear, you will need to edit a template and select this new field. If you forget to add the project and field options that we've added before, The project column will have this yellow none indication to let you know that you need to add these options. Let's quickly create a results field to see another field type. We'll start by choosing a name, in this case version, and a type. As you can see, the steps type is the only one that is not available as a results field. Let's add the project and option settings. Let's keep it as optional and unrestricted. And as this field is meant to track what version of software we are testing, let's keep the minimum and maximum values between 1 and 9. Let's also keep these options the same for all projects. We can now click on Add Field and it will appear on the list. Let's add these fields to a template so we can see them in action. We'll quickly edit the template, select the new fields, save it. And now if we go to our project, repository, and create a new test case, you can see the new field here already available with all the settings that we've chosen. Any test case that was using this template will also have this new field available. We can also quickly see the results field by going here to an ongoing run. Let's open it, change the view to the template view to help us quickly locate a test case with this template. And after selecting the test case, let's click on Add Result. As you can see, the new result field is here with the options we've selected. If I put any value below 1 and higher than 9, I won't be able to save the result. I hope this information helps you on your testing journey. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Leave us a like and comment below with ideas for any new videos you would like to see. I hope you have a great day and happy testing.